southwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, east central Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 6:26 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over East Stroudsburg, or 11 miles southeast of Mount Pocono, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include East Stroudsburg, Blairstown, Hope, Fort Brooksville, Henryville, Wary Lake, Unalamated, Millbrook, Delaware Water Gap, Alpine Mountain, Echo Lake, Stroudsburg, Arlington Heights, Shawnee, Marshalls Creek, and Eden Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 307 and 314. Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 2, and between mile markers 7 and 12. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Sussex and Warren and Monroe, Pennsylvania.